Hi guys, and welcome to beginner Python tutorial. So in this very session I just want to show you guys how to use strings. So first of all, if you notice all of the comment here, so we're going to walk through this. We define two string character, we get it concatenated, print out the result, get the length of the string, okay, and access individual character, check if the substring exists in the string, and convert the string to uppercase and lowercase. So let's see, what string do we want to use? Maybe we should use our popular hello world. So first of all, I'm going to declare two variables. So come right here, enter the first one. I'm going to call that string 1 and just enter hello there, and declare the second string, that's string number 2, that is going to be world. There we go. So this comment is being sorted. So the next thing is, you see where we have concatenate, let's get it concatenated. I'm just going to say result, that will be equals string 1, and let's say plus to concatenate it, add a space, plus there, string 2. There we go. Now the third comment would like us to print out whatever we have in there. So I'm going to just say concatenated string is whatever. So let's grab hold of all of these and come right in here, open up a bracket, enter speech mark, and let's say concatenated strings, and that will be result. So put a comma there and just enter results. There we go. So we can print this out now, but before we do that, we're going to have to save it first. So let's give that a shot. So I'm going to go to file, save as. So let's call it string lesson YT string. Save that. There we go. Now go to run. There we go. Look at the concatenated string is hello world. Alright, so we've done that. So now let's get the length of both strings. In this case, for the length, let's use what is known as len. So come in here, create a local variable, and that local variable we take in len, which is the argument that will check the result and tell us how many characters we have inside the result here. Now we also need to print that out. So to do that, come right down here, just say print, let's say the length of the string. Grab all of that, dump it in here, and comma, the length of the string, that will be length. Right, close that, and let's put column in here, change this to uppercase. There we go. Now let's try that out and see the length, how many characters we have in there. We have 11. Look at that, that's brilliant. Now the next one here, the next comment here says individual character by index. So in here I'm going to say character number 1, or let's say first character. Okay, the first character, that is going to be result, and enter a square bracket, result is 0. Okay, the list always starts from 0. Okay, in Python, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Or if you say array, start from 0 as well. And the next one, that is going to be the last one. Let's assume the last one. Copy this and just dump it in there. Last character, that would be, I'm going to just say -1. So I now want to print out both characters. So let's say print. So what I'm printing out is going to be the first character. The first character, close that up, comma, that's going to be first character, this one. Paste and close that up. So that will be for the first character. Let's copy this for the second character. Paste. And this will be second. And change this to the last character. That's what it was called, last character. Look at it here. So I'm going to change that to last as well. There we go. Okay, if I run it, let's see what the outcome will be. So run there. Check that out. The first one is D and the H. The last one is D. Okay, that's cool. Now, let's check this one. I'll check if a substring exists in there. So I'm going to declare something I'll call substring. Paste that in there. The substring that I want to declare, let's just say hello there. So does hello exist in there? To check that, what we need to do is use an if statement. Let's say if substring, if the substring in result, close that, the result I'm referring to, that's it right there. If the substring in result, we want the system to print out something. Okay, just give us an information. Let's say F, and let's enter curly braces. This curly braces is to print out whatever we have in here. So if I copy this, the curly braces will print that out for me. So let me close it up and just say is present. Okay, whatever is present in the string. There we go. Else, that has to be indented, yeah. Else is not in the string. Place that there. Substring, whatever is not in the string. So let's try that out and see what's going to happen. There we go. Look at that. That is in the system. Okay, look at it. Hello is there. Supposing we change it to something totally different. So if I say whatever QW, run that. QW is not in the strings. Well done, that's good. Okay, just undo that. There we go. Now the last one here, convert the string to uppercase. So let's grab this and just get it converted. Those would be my variable. So get rid of this. There. And that's for uppercase. Let's say result. And this one is going to be a result as well. Uppercase result and lowercase result. Uppercase, that is going to be equals result dot upper. So that should convert my result to uppercase, and the next one is to convert the result to lowercase. So result equals lower. There we go. That's that done. Now we need to print out the result. So let's come in here and just say print this out. What do we have? So we can say print uppercase, comma, and my variable uppercase. So it should convert everything to uppercase for me. So I'm going to repeat the same thing for the lowercase. Is that underneath here, change this to lowercase, and change this as well, lowercase. There we go. So let's try that out. Run. Look at that. You see that, guys? That is how you manipulate your string characters instead of just boring hello world. Do something with it. Here you have your hello world printed. It's counted how many character we have in there, including the space, and in here it's told us what character we have first and the last character, and we have LO. Yes, we do have LO within in the string. Then convert it to uppercase and convert the whole lot to lowercase, and that's all there is to it, guys. So I'm going to just show you guys the lines of code again so that you have a go at it, play around with it. Okay, remember to add the comment as well. That will help you a great deal. There. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this beautiful tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it. There will be more tutorial for beginners, so I'm just gonna call it the end of this tutorial now. Bye for now.